Suzuki, a Japanese automaker, is reportedly planning to launch a wide range of new models, not only in India, but also in the global market. Brand plans for the European market are revealed online. Suzuki will announce the next generation S-Cross, Swift, Vitara, and Jimny equipped with a hybrid powertrain. Suzuki's first pure electric vehicle will debut in 2023. It will be an A-segment compact car with a crossover design. The new model is a 2WD drive, which offers a higher range on a single charge. Suzuki is reportedly developing a 4WD-driven full-electric B-segment SUV. The new B-segment electric SUV will be available as early as 2024. It will be sold as a high-distance, compact all-wheel drive vehicle. The report also states that the next-generation Suzuki Swift will be launched in 2023. In addition, the S-Cross crossover will undergo a generational change in January 2022. The new S-Cross comes with a new mild hybrid system. It features a 1.4-liter turbocharged petrol engine with a new starter generator that acts as an electric motor and a lithium-ion battery. The crossover mild hybrid system is 48 volts, allowing the electric motor to better support the petrol engine. In addition, the new system will regain more energy when braking. Suzuki S-Cross will also receive an all-wheel drive full hybrid system with a 1.5-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor. Suzuki is reported to launch the next-generation Vitara SUV in 2024. It is equipped with a plug-in hybrid drive, PHEV, that enables the Vitara to be driven purely by electricity. Suzuki will announce a long-wheelbase version of the Jimny off-road vehicle in 2022. In addition, the company will announce a comprehensively revised Jimny in 2024.